Hello there! Today we look into the features of the Post Loop block, which is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Content controls. There are 8 controls in the Content tab. In the Posts Loop title control, we can change the short title for the Posts Loop container. We just need to type the new text. The Post Title icon control allows us to change the small image that appears in the top left corner of the Posts Loop container. It's recommended to use a small image with a height and width of 80 pixels. The Number of Items control is responsible for setting the number of items that will be displayed per page. We can set up to 20 post items per page. The Page Type control allows us to select the type of template where the Posts Loop will be displayed. So, we can use this block in the front page, static pages, or in some of the theme templates. The Filter by Category control allows us to display certain posts depending on their category. If we enable this option, all the published post categories will appear in the Select control. The Filter by Tag control is responsible for displaying posts depending on their tag. This control is similar to the Filter by Category control. The Order Type control allows us to order the posts by published date or title. Finally, the Sort Order control is in charge of ordering the posts in ascending or descending order. Style controls. There are 3 controls in the Style tab. The first control is responsible for changing the number of columns on desktop screens. The second control allows us to set a custom number of columns on tablet devices. The third control is responsible for setting the number of columns on mobile devices. Additional controls. There are 7 controls in the Additional tab. The Date Options control is responsible for customizing the date of each one of the items of the Posts Loop block. We can show or hide the date, and we can also choose a custom format for it. The Author Options control allows us to hide or show the post's author's name. The Category Options control is responsible for displaying or hiding the category name of each one of the items. The Tag Options control is similar to the Category Options control. It hides or shows the first tag of the post. The Show Excerpt control is responsible for hiding or showing the post's excerpt. If we enable this feature, we can also control the excerpt length and add an ellipsis to its end. The Show Navigation Links control allows us to display the navigation links for the Posts Loop. These links will only appear on the front end if the total number of posts exceeds the number of visible items. In our example, we only have 5 posts. So, if we configure the block to show the 5 published posts, and the number of items control is set to 4 posts, then the navigation links will appear. Finally, the Demo Data Options control allows us to show a demo posts loop that comes bundled with the plugin. Thank you for watching.